Infused. Infused नहीं है. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a get unready with me. So yeah, firstly I'm going to remove the lights. Let me do that. Alright, literally after switching off the lights, the first thing I do is I still have my ring light on, but my backdrop and all of those lights, I switch them off. And the next thing I do is literally have water. Alright, once I'm done with water, it's time to change out the outfit. I remove my jewelry. I try to remove my watch as well. And then I literally change my clothes into my comfy pajama clothes. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, I'm back. Before I try to remove my jewelry and all, I'm going to talk you through the process. Alright, before I used to use a cleansing oil from the face shop. I really like this one. It got done and I wanted to buy another one. But I realized that I have a lot of micellar waters. So I literally wanted to use them up before buying another one. To remove the makeup, I used to use makeup wipes. I think a year and a half ago I stopped using them and I started using my hands with the cleansing oil because it was so malleable and easy. But now that I'm using micellar waters, I've moved to something a much more eco-friendly. I started using these makeup wipes. These are from Miniso. I think I got both of them for like 150 rupees or something like that. I legit took them out of the laundry, took this out of the laundry to show you guys. I have two of them so that if this is dirty I can use the other one. So yeah, this is from my laundry, it has to go back, and this is the one that I use. I use the Garnier micellar water. This is the oil infused cleansing water. This is like a micellar water, okay? So I shake it and I take like a good I take like a good amount of cleanser. Like I take a lot of it because I do not like any mascara that is left. So I take a lot of it and I literally remove my makeup. So yeah, a time lapse of how bad I look while I'm removing makeup for you guys. So enjoy. Alright, I'm almost done with removing my makeup. So I usually go in only once, but today I was filming, so I used the Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes. So it is a little difficult to remove this mascara. So I literally went twice and I used both the sides. Okay, this is the one and this is the one, both the sides. So the water seeps in through the cloth, right? So that's why. And I try to remove as much as mascara possible, as much as everything possible. Also, don't forget the crevices of your nose, like your chin, your lips, and everywhere possible wherever you've applied makeup. See, I also have makeup on my hand, so I try to remove everything possible with the cloth. And one of the things that I've realized is do your foundation like cleansing first and then go on with the lips, because if you start with the lips, I had a red lip, right? If I do this and do this, it'll be red all over the face. So that is a pro tip that I have. So I like to cleanse my face, and only for when I'm applying makeup on a daily basis. So today I applied makeup, right? In order to give it a good scrub, I use this one. This is a whole Lotus Herbals Tea Tree face wash. I don't use it every day. I only use it to give it a double cleanse. So usually I do triple cleanse. I do the micellar water, I do this wash, and I do another face wash. I'm going to show you guys that as well. I do this, give a good scrub to my face, and then I go in with my true and trusted, this is the Cetaphil OS. This is the oil cleansing skin cleanser. Really good. And for this I usually use my hand. This is a very soft formula, okay? I'm going to show you guys the difference between formulas right on my hand, like here. I'm going to try showing you guys as much as possible because this is going to be a very learning video. Yeah, can you see this? This is much more runny, watery, and this is the Cetaphil. This is the Lotus Herbals Tea Tree face wash. This has a little bit of granules. Yeah, this is much more of a water oriented. This is so gentle on your skin. It can never hurt you. So I use this, give my face a good scrub, and then I go in with this. And then because this is very mild, and I sometimes have long nails, this time though I don't have, but usually I have long nails, so I use this one. This is like a face scrub for your face, like face scrub for your face. Yeah, come on. And it has these two holders so that you can put it in and do this. I don't use this every day, and I do not recommend using this every day. I use it maybe once in 3-4 days, only when I feel like my face needs it. But usually I go in with this directly on the face. So I'm gonna go wash my face and be back because I don't want to make a mess over here. Alright, like you can see, I am my face, I just washed my face, so I'm gonna like wipe my face, not like drag, but wipe it down. For me, winters is when the temperature gets a little bit chilly. For other people it might not be chilly, but for me it is. So I have a very low tolerance to cold. So this is literally what I do every night during the winter season. The first thing is I lather my lips with Laneige. This is a lip sleeping mask. I've used it so many times. I've used it, abused it. Alright, now I'm done with that. Now that I'm done with that, the next thing that I do is actually moisturizer. And for moisturizer, I use the Simples moisturizer, not anything else. But now that I'm under prescription, so my doctor has given me a bunch of moisturizers to use. So in the night, there's literally no moisturizer. And I literally took this before the winter starting. I have to kind of schedule an appointment to do it now. But I use an Adoxin gel. This is what she's like prescribed to use, nothing else. So I don't use anything else on my face except the Adoxin gel in the night. But yeah, I do have dry patches around the skin, like over the nose area, like right over here. So I literally apply it all over my face. I take as much as necessary because this is like, so basically this is an Adoxin gel. There is also a cream that I got in the starting. So I literally apply it all over my problem areas, sometimes all over my face also when I feel like I need that extra nourishment. This literally dries up in seconds, okay? It's like it kind of makes my skin drier is what I feel, so I have to go back and get the cream version of it during the winters. But yeah, I apply it all over because she's told me to apply it everywhere. Now coming to the best part. So before sleeping, I lather myself in moisturizer, and nowadays I'm using the very famous Bath & Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar. Oh my god, this smells like a vanilla cupcake. This is a 24-hour moisture ultra sheer body cream. Love it. I apply this all over my body. I really apply this all over my body. Literally, this is so creamy. I'm gonna try showing you guys. Like literally, that is all I need for my entire hands, okay? Really soft. Love it. It's very soft. It's very nourishing as well. Really like it. I apply it all over my body, okay? And then what I like to do is I wear socks. So you're like, yeah, socks is what I do. I take it to another level, okay? Listen to me. I wear socks. These are the socks I got from Max. Very simple, very small. Then I wear one socks. I don't stop there. I layer them with another pair of finger socks. So what I feel is these socks, the crevice between the thumb and the next finger, it kind of makes me feel cold. So I wear finger socks. Not yet done. Then you can find fluffy shoes. These are the ones that I wear every day in the winter seasons. They have a rubber sole and the rest of them is literally fuzz. Really like them. I wear them. I don't stop there, okay? And then I wear gloves. So basically for gloves, I wear these, okay? These are like the normal ones that you get outside, like for 100 rupees, 200 rupees, okay? I wear these, and these do not stop the cold for me. I have a very low tolerance to cold. So I literally layer my gloves as well. And that is these. These are really good. These are such high quality gloves. They have leather and all of that. This is actually my brother's. He left it here and I started using it. This is the 3M Thinsulate insulation gloves. Oh my god, these are so good. They have like I want to say fleece material, and he got these from Sweden, okay? He lives in Sweden, right? So there the cold is too much. So this is like literally for that temperature. So I layer these gloves over there. I don't stop there, okay? And then when sleeping, I use my earmuffs. Okay, I literally wear my earmuffs and sleep because it is too cold and the air goes into my ears. Then after all of this, I don't sleep, okay? If I'm a little more cold, I wear a jacket. And then I usually have the thicker fleece duvet or rug or whatever you call it as. That is really thick and it makes me like, you know, warm and all of that. Then, and in winter seasons, one of the best things you can do is literally have a Vicks inhaler because it's cold. Also, I'm giving you guys a pro tip. If you're somebody like me and if you get to go to the bathroom after all of this, what I like to do is switch on the geyser like while you're going in, so that when I'm coming out, I wash my feet with hot water and it makes me feel so good. I love it. This is literally what I do for surviving winters, and I know it is too much, but for me, I get really cold. So I legit need all of this, or else I cannot survive. I will literally be down with fever and all of that in the next day, so I legit have to use this. It might seem extra to you, but it is genuinely how I survive winters. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.